How to add more sheet to a Google Sheet file. Need extra tabs for organizing your data? Let's add more sheets in Google Sheets. So first go ahead and open up Google Sheet and then create a sheet. So in here at the bottom left, you'd basically find the name of this specific sheet tab. You can rename this. So I'll rename this to 1. And then if you want to add more sheet tab, simply click on this add sheet button at the bottom left, and this would allow you to create another sheet tab under this specific sheet. So it would be easier for you to add more sheet tabs on a one sheet file. If you want to delete a sheet tab, simply click on this arrow at the right side of the sheet tab and then click on delete. You can also duplicate this, change the color, protect the sheet, hide the sheet, rename the sheet, and copy it into a new or existing spreadsheet. And that is how to add more sheet to a Google Sheet file.